Welcome to the eOS course by Digital Guru, where I want to start by asking you a simple question and a little warning. 85% of people don't even have the focus to complete this video, and there is no question in why more than 70% of candidates are jobless out there. The question is, would you like to become a Microsoft Office specialist without enrolling and paying for advanced level multiple courses? Well, if it was a yes, then understand something, which we call as eOS, or the Efficient Office Skills course. Bill Gates once said, "I am never fully satisfied with any Microsoft product." It is the same with learning these Microsoft Office products like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and others. While many computer training centers out there are labeling their entry-level basic lessons as job readiness career courses, the truth is that most of the candidates out there working on a job after completing these so-called job readiness career courses are not indeed job ready at all. They find it extremely difficult to finish their daily tasks faster and keep thinking if there exists any smarter way of doing things. And eventually they start looking out for advanced level Microsoft Office courses like Advanced Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. Even after completing an advanced Excel course, most of them still find it difficult to efficiently manage the company data and create desired performance dashboards. So, they look out for another course to learn that. And this goes on and on and on. Hi, we are Digital Guru Computer Training Institute, and in the next few minutes we are going to share exactly how we can help you with learning everything out of Microsoft Office that is required to do your job faster and smarter in a single course. Yes, you heard that right. There is no need to enroll for any other advanced level multiple courses related to Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. We are going to share with you the eOS course framework that will help you become a Microsoft Office specialist. A quick example of efficient tips, tricks, and best practices that are included with the eOS course. A simple learning system to get started on your journey to become a Microsoft Office specialist. One of the mentors we follow made us understand that there is nothing known as advanced in Microsoft Office. You will be thinking, what are we talking about? There are so many computer training centers out there selling advanced Excel and similar advanced level courses. Let us explain. Microsoft never categorized or named their functions as basics or advanced. When we open Microsoft Excel application, or Word or PowerPoint, there is no feature that is labeled as basic function or an advanced function. The fact is that the features that we use regularly are basics for us, and the ones that we don't use, obviously because we have not learned them, are advanced. And so, we at Digital Guru not just make you learn the basics or advanced functions, but help you understand the efficient office skills to work smarter. Now let us see what efficient office skills really are. We can use multiple ways to perform a single action in Microsoft Office applications to get the same result. Like if I want to color some text in Word, I can select the text I want to color and go to the Home tab, Font Color option, and select the desired color. Or I can add this function to my Quick Access toolbar here and use the function. Or I can use this automatic toolbar here to color my text. Many ways of doing the same work, but we need to understand the most efficient of them. Here at Digital Guru, the action that can be done in less time with minimum or zero errors is the most efficient one for us. Let us show you one more example. In this list here, we have some names. Here we need to separate the first names and last names into different columns. The traditional way of doing this, which is usually taught in any computer course, is to select the column. Then go to the Data tab and select the Text to Columns option. Here, we select Delimited, then click on Next. Select Space as the separator used to separate the first names and last names, then click on Next and Finish. Here we get the result we wanted, but if you look at the third row where we have the extra H as the middle name initials, it is gone into 3 columns instead of 2. Then we usually fix this manually by copy-pasting the contents like this. And we mention the column headers as first name and last name. Now, look at another efficient way of doing this. Instead of using text to columns, we create the columns we need like the first name and last name column. And now, we just type in the first record. Let me type Hrithik word here. Now go to data and instead of text to columns, click on this flash fill button. Did you see the magic? The same thing we will do for the last names. We type in the first record, go to the flash fill button, and then Excel does the magic. Is this not a better and efficient way of doing it? This does not give you the middle name initial problem. Similarly, there are a few more examples where flash fill gives better results than text to columns that we help you learn in the eOS course. The eOS course is filled with many magic tricks like this that you can use to impress your seniors and coworkers at your workplace. So if you are a student wanting to become job ready, or a working professional already doing a job but looking out for ways to do your work faster and smarter, thereby becoming a star performer amongst your coworkers, that may give you better workplace recognition, better salary, or even better job, then you're definitely in the right place and you're going to love what we are about to share with you. The top 3 people who need the eOS course basically fall into the following categories. 1. College students who are completing their education and wanting to become job ready for a successful career. 2. Working professionals who already have a job wanting to learn ways of completing their work faster and smarter with minimum or zero errors so that they get better workplace recognition, better salary, or even better satisfying job. 3. Entrepreneurs who are looking out to standardize and automate their work processes like documentation and business presentations for better client acquisition. Also, managing business data efficiently and creating analytical data performance dashboards that help in effective decision making. One of our students, Nitin Jaiswal, was able to crack the practical assignments during a job interview with the eOS course learnings and is now working at a MNC on a satisfactory pay scale. Another student, Rehan, is earning from home doing freelancing jobs. The list can go on and we cannot tell you how many messages we receive, people thanking us for the change they can see in their career. But we know you are not here to see this, so let us continue. The best things about this eOS course are: 1. It is accessible from any location, so you can learn from anywhere. 2. It will not only make you efficient in Word, Excel and PowerPoint, but also covers Outlook and OneNote, which is rarely taught in any computer training centers. And 3. Many online courses just give a standard course completion certificate, but here we award you with government-recognized certification from MKCL, the Maharashtra Knowledge Corporation Limited. Before I introduce you to the eOS course, let us see why this course structure was created in the first place, and for that we will need to tell you a small story connected to our mentor, Mithun Matkar. Mithun started his career as a computer training instructor at a local institute. He trained hundreds of students on Microsoft Office applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. After working there for 3 years, one day he went for a job interview at a multinational KPM company located at Pave here in Mumbai. Prior to any interview sessions or reviewing his certificates, the first thing that they gave him was a typing test. He passed that test, then next was an English grammar test. After that they gave some handwritten pages that they asked him to create as slides in PowerPoint. Obviously, he did a great job at it as he was already training students on PowerPoint. Then they took him and a few other candidates that were there for the job interview into a Microsoft Word training session. That training went on for about 45 minutes to an hour. Thereafter, they gave him a questionnaire related to the Microsoft Word topics they taught in that training session. Maybe they wanted to check how fast candidates can learn and remember things. And finally, after all these, Mithun was selected for a personal round of interview. He entered a cabin where two interviewers were waiting for him. After a few generic interview questions, they asked him about a Microsoft Word function that he did not know about. The feature that they mentioned, he had never taught to the students he trained at the Computer Training Institute because he himself never learned that. He did not even know where that function was present in the Word application. The situation was quite embarrassing for him as the interviewers made some fun around how he cannot know a function available in Word even though he trained so many students for nearly 3 years. However, later they clarified that he did not need to worry as the function they were talking about is never included in any computer training center's basic computer course. In fact, it is learnt only at workplace when someone does a job related to Microsoft Word. It was shocking and surprising for Mithun. How come a function which needs to be used at the workplace is not taught in the computer course that he learned to become job ready? He eventually got the job, and for the next 3 months, the company trained him on a wide range of functions in Microsoft Word and PowerPoint that he never used before, nor he taught his students. We are sure that like Mithun, almost everyone when doing their job at the workplace finds out that there is so much that we did not learn in the course we finished at the Computer Training Institute, and there is so much more to know about. To overcome this big problem is why we came up with the eOS course. In a single course, we train everything that is required for completing majority of the work related to Microsoft Office applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more at your job or workplace. We at Digital Guru are here to show you how you can avoid paying for costly advanced and multi-level courses and yet become a Microsoft Office specialist. We are calling them costly because they are priced anywhere between 25,000 rupee to 50,000 rupees. And we are also calling them as multi-level courses because it is not like you complete one course and you get all the knowledge you need. Later, we are made to realize that one advanced Excel course is to learn formulas, there is another advanced Excel course to learn advanced level pivot tables, then there is another one to get introduced to macro automation. One more advanced Excel course is to learn about creating dynamic performance dashboards. It does not end here because we are still learning Excel. After getting through all these courses, until now you might have spent somewhere between 20,000 rupee to 30,000 rupees, you still have not learned advanced Word and advanced level PowerPoint. That may cost you additional 15,000 rupee to 20,000 rupees. Some training centers do not even offer a course like Advanced Word or Advanced PowerPoint because they themselves are not aware if there are any advanced level skills, best practices, or hacks that exist in them which are required when you do a real-world job where you work. Why they do not know is because they are in the training industry only. It is difficult to understand on-the-job requirements unless you yourself have worked and had experiences like that. Another way to do this effectively is interview and do high-level research approaching employees from multiple organizations where people work on Microsoft Office applications. Now I want you to pause for a moment and let this next point really sink in because it's a big one and it's almost the exact opposite to what everybody else out there is feeding you. We all are used to start with a basic computer course, and then we start working for some time on a job is only when we realize the need of getting more skilled knowledge in these applications. But let us focus on some key facts. By 2030, more than half of 12th passed Indians will lack the skills to get jobs. This is what UNICEF said. Why are they saying this with so much confidence? Is because the youth now does not really care about learning and developing job skills. With the increasing gig economy and digital ways of earning, the current generation is assuming that earning money is easy today. There are endless number of money-making videos on the internet. They believe we can do any one thing out of it, and we will become a millionaire or billionaire. But one thing they don't realize is that if money-making was really that easy, then why are there people still working hard in this world? There is a need to make them understand that you will need advanced level skills to compete and stand a chance of getting that one job out there for which hundreds of applications are in waiting line. Let us look at one more problem. As compared to how we were about 15 to 20 years ago, we did not have computers, laptops or mobile phones easily available with us. And now when we have them in every household, students take it for granted that the level of computer they use at home on daily basis is enough for the job. Now imagine, for a job interview, every candidate is coming with this same basic level of knowledge, but there is one candidate who has taken the efforts to learn advanced level skills that we are talking about in this course. Don't you think of all the candidates, this one person has a strong chance to be successful and win that job. We will show you one more strong fact that will make you realize how important it is now for you to learn and develop these efficient office skills. Over 2 million employees are expected to leave their jobs by 2025. Considering this reality, there will be jobs available in the market soon, but will you be skilled enough to land into one of those jobs? Well, it is time to uncover the secret. In the overcrowded basic to advanced level candidates, you will need to stand out with efficient office skills. This is obvious, isn't it? Out of a candidate with just basic Excel knowledge and another one with advanced Excel knowledge, the one with advanced knowledge will be chosen. Similarly, the one with efficient office skills would be chosen over the one with just advanced level skills. If you still are thinking if whatever we are saying is really making sense or not, then we can be sure that you are not serious about a successful career. You can never be, because until now whatever we said is based on facts and figures from the industry with proof. If you don't take the right action today that we will ask for you to take, then we only wish you to be capable of making a mark in the crowd and get a job with satisfying paycheck. Now, the next thing after listening to all this that you will throw at us is that, why to learn all of it now? Why not do it the way it has happened till now? Let me learn basic course first, then try to find a job, and then if required only then I will try to learn and develop my skills further. We totally get that and understand. But that brings us to the next secret of this video, which we had already explained in the first one and would like to repeat. Basic knowledge is something that people are already gaining with the work they do on a daily basis at home. So, the average crowd in any job interview today is filled with basic computer skills. If you are already equipped with the efficient advanced level abilities, then your outstanding capabilities will ensure a guaranteed success. Moreover, at your workplace, you will be able to perform better than your coworkers and stand a chance for better recognition and rewards. Now let us look at what all will you be learning in the eOS course and why we guarantee you that you will not need to enroll for any other costly multi-level courses related to Microsoft Office. We will start with the fundamentals of IT, that includes Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint, which is of value worth 5,000 rupees. Then we will move on to advanced level efficient Excel formulas, which is of value worth 10,000 rupees. This takes the total course value to 15,000 rupees. We will also learn advanced level efficient Excel pivots, which is of value worth 10,000 rupees. This takes the total course value to 25,000 rupees. Next, we will learn advanced level Excel performance dashboards creation, which is value worth 5,000 rupees. With this, our total course value come to 30,000 rupees. We will also learn advanced level efficient Microsoft Word, which is of value worth 8,000 rupees. And that takes our course value to 38,000 rupees. And last but not the least, we will learn advanced level efficient Microsoft PowerPoint, which is of value worth 12,000 rupees. And with this, our total course value worth goes up to 50,000 rupees. As we already showed you that the typical industry course cost to learn all of this is up to 50,000 rupees, but the eOS course fees is just 17,997 rupees. And we have our introductory offer going on right now, where you can get access to this course at just 14,997 rupees for a very limited time. We also have an additional early bird offer for the first 100 admissions, where we will give assured cashback of 1,000 rupees on successful completion of the course within the required duration. This is to highly motivate the students on finishing the course. So, you actually end up paying 13,997 rupees only for the entire course. We have not yet shared the free bonus gifts you get with the eOS course. At such a low course price, with all the course contents that we shared till now, we also give you the following free bonus gift modules. 1. Efficient Microsoft Outlook course, which is of value worth 1,499 rupees. You get it for free. 2. Efficient Microsoft OneNote course, which is of value worth 999 rupees. You get that for absolutely free. 3. We promise to give you free lifetime query resolution support. That means in future, when doing your job in your career, if you face any difficulty related to Microsoft Office applications, then you can connect with us and we will give you the support to solve that problem at no extra charges. 4. You also get free lifetime access to the attended online class recording videos. So, you can watch them over again and again if required. 5. We also give you free downloadable set of icons to beautify your documents, dashboards, and presentations. 6. You also get introduced to online business intelligence tools like Google Data Studio. 7. And here comes our unique offering that no other training center may be able to give you. We provide you an absolutely free license to install the latest genuine Microsoft Office applications on your personal computer. The license cost is paid by Digital Guru on your behalf. We are doing this to ensure that you can practice whatever we teach in case if you do not have the latest version of Microsoft Office applications. We literally want you to become an Office expert. Now let us check on the Microsoft website. What is the cost of this license? If we go to the Microsoft's official website here to check the cost of the license that we give you, the amount shown is this. Which means that we are instantly giving you back the fees that you are paying for the eOS course in the form of this license. And that makes your entire eOS course absolutely free for you. We bet anyone else might be able to give you such an amazing offer. We are doing this just because we genuinely want you to learn efficient Microsoft Office skills and have a great successful career. Now let us look at how you will learn this eOS course. Firstly, you will get access to the video lessons designed by the industry experts from MKCL. Maharashtra Knowledge Corporation Limited are the pioneers of the training industry. Their flagship course has trained more than 1,25 lakh students since more than 20 years now. Subject matter experts from MKCL considered the latest industry trends while designing the course contents. These lesson videos will be accessible to you on your computer or smartphone with our unique learning application. And there will be live online classes conducted by Mithun Matkar himself and his team where he will share industry best practices, necessary skills, and hacks related to Microsoft Office applications that he has learned and used in his corporate experience of more than 15 years. To tell you more about Mithun Matkar, he is the CEO Habits Award winner and head of IT and learning facilitators at Digital Guru. Throughout his career, he has led and managed a graphics designing team creating presentations for the sales team of a global organization. He was also part of the PMO or Project Management Office where he managed data and created analytical reports that were consumed by the CXOs of the company for decision making. He also helped the corporate marketing team with website management, email marketing, and other digital activities. One more platform that we share with you for learning is that we give you access to the students' online community where similar efficient skills, interesting office learnings, and outcomes are shared. The community supports us to be on track and complete our learning goals at the earliest. Now, is there any reason why you should not enroll for this course? But here we give you the reasons for why you should, and you must enroll for the eOS course at Digital Guru. 1. This is an exclusive unique framework that includes basic to advanced level Microsoft Office skills in a single course. 2. There is no need to additionally pay and learn any other course related to Microsoft Office applications like Word, Advanced Excel or PowerPoint. 3. The eOS course curriculum covers all the functions required and listed by Microsoft in their Microsoft Office Specialist or MOS certification exam. 4. You can become a star performer amongst your coworkers displaying efficient office skills at workplace. 5. You can grow your prospects for better workplace recognition, better salary, or even better job. 6. You can manage your business processes efficiently automating most of them. 7. We give you free bonus modules which are worth more than 5,000 rupees in value. 8. You get free lifetime support promise from us for queries resolution. 9. You get free lifetime access to the attended live class video recordings. 10. You get government recognized certification on successful course completion. And finally, you get assured cashback of additional 1,000 rupees on your course fees if you complete the course within the required duration. So many benefits at such a low cost. Let us also tell you who this course is not for. This is not for people who make excuses and complain. People who are stuck in the false assumptions mode of I know it all types and are not prepared to take action or get results. And anyone who is not serious about getting better prospects for their career by a quantum jump in the near future. The eOS course is perfect for you if you are looking to become job ready indeed for the next gen workplace. Become a star performer showcasing outstanding efficient skills compared to your coworkers and improve your career growth prospects. And want to manage your business processes efficiently with automation. So, without any delay, click the button now and enroll yourself for the eOS course and start your journey on becoming Microsoft Office specialist. We wish you a successful career